Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Nah. Me sip coconut and smoke ganja, yeah, man. Me close me eyes and me hear the drum. A ancient call say me time of it come. Me born far away but me spirit know. Mama Africa, me ready to go. Me feeling of the breeze in a sun so bright. You beating on me heart every day and night. Me roots they deep like the Bob tree. Me soul set forward and me heart agree. The lion roar inside me mind. It tell me truth, me need to find. In a books, in a dreams, me see the land. Golden soil run through me hand. From Ethiopia to Ghana plain, me tears fall soft like African rain. Me not forget the blood, the pain, but now me chant joy again. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm, me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me see the youth them dancing a red earth clay. Me hear the elders reasoning about Rastafari way. Me sit with me drum, me sing with me soul. The people them vibrant, the culture bowl. Me eat ital from Calabash Ball. Me feel Jah fire start take control. The chant of freedom echo in breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart at ease. Me nah need the plane, me nah need the road. Jah guide me spirit, me drop the load. Every heartbeat is a step closer still to that sacred mountain, to that holy hill. The ancestors whisper in me ear. You never left, you always here. Africa not just a place on map. It's the rhythm inside every Rasta rap. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where my spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey happy be done. With roots and rhythm me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me light up chalice under starry dome. Give thanks for the place me call me home. Me sing to the moon, me talk to the tree. Me soul find unity, me finally free. In a market, me hear sweet songs. Drums and chants, we carry me long. Children laugh and elders pray. Africa living a every reggae. So if you hear that call, don't hesitate. Open your heart and walk through the gate. The journey deep but the blessing real. Africa heal what Babylon steal. Zion echoes rise like a flame. From Berlin to Cape Coast we call your name. Back to Mama where all life begin. Rasta anthem rise again within. See ya the one that day. Said we see ya the one that day. Said we
Aye. It's Zion time, yeah, man. Me rise on the shore with sun in on me face. Morning breeze, bring Jah embrace. Salt water cleanse me eye from sleep. Another day, fi climb Jah peak. Me roll one tight Time when prophets them walk bold. The tide speak truth, the wind reveal. What no man touch, Jah make real. Me meditate in a coconut tree shade. Every leaf tell story, them never fade. No system clock, no boss, no chain. Just me the sea and ganja rain. Rasta chant on the waves, calling peace from ancient caves. From the hills to the blue sea, me heart beat in harmony. Smoke rise like spirit flight. Me walk by day, me float by night. Inna the rhythm, me soul behave. Me free, me chant on the waves. Me move slow like turtle wise, watching Babylon tell beer lies. But me not listen, me hold me ground. Me smoke me herbs and hear the sound of truth, of birds and tree, of ancestors watching over me. Me sip lighter soup, me give me praise. Me know Jah bless me all me days. And when the moon rise kiss the sea, me know me blessed fi truly be. Me build a fire, me chant me prayer. Jah presence strong, me feel it near. Me no need gold, me no need fame. Me only need that sacred flame, burning in a chalice, burning bright, guiding me through darkest night. Rasta chant on the waves, calling peace from ancient caves. From the hills to the blue sea, me heart beat in harmony. Smoke rise like spirit flight. Me walk by day, me float by night. Inna the rhythm, me soul behave. Me free, me chant on the waves.
Me meet a elder down by bay. Him say me son always trudge away. Me smile and nod, me already know. Me roots run deep like river flow. Me smoke me spliff with highest care. Me lift me mind in gentle prayer. No stress, no fight, just peace me bring. Me heart beat like a naya bingy drum ring.
So when the world get loud and mad, me return to shore where soul feel glad. Me chant alone or with me crew. The ocean and the fire make me new. Me Rasta life, me Rasta way. Me chanting morning, night and day. So if you're lost and seek some grace, come chant with me in this holy place.
forever bright. City shining day and night. Every gate a holy sign. City of Jah forever mine. When the trumpet sound at last, City of Zion standing fast. It blaze eternal, never done. City shining with Jah sun. Forever home, forever free. City of Jah for you and me. From earth to sky, from night to morn. City of Zion ever born. Stand tall, walk in. City of Zion free from sin. No wall, no hate can ever break. City of Jah no man forsake. City of Zion pure and fair. Jah eternal dwelling there. Every people, every land. City built by Jah hand. From dawn of time till trumpet play. City of Zion always stay.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Oh, oh. Me dey on Jah highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile, teach me new truth to learn. Inna the fire, the spirit burn. Me hear the river hum low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall. Them try fi pull me off the road, me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant, faith abundant. Me see the sign say love ahead, so me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride, just truth inside. Me trod through storm, me trod through flame, still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care, cause Jah dey everywhere. Panja highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Panja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the ones still lost, them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song, help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire. Every mile me bless, no stress. Me look on the horizon red, hope ahead. Me feel Jah breeze, embrace peaceful place. Me drive through life with grace, no haste. Me leave behind the fear, me draw Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow. Me move, oh Jah say fi go. Every road lead home one day, to Zion way. Panja highway me Panja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. So when me journey end, me meet me friend. Panja highway me remain, free from pain. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me sit in silence, moon above, feel Jah love. Me no need no temple tall, Jah in all. Every breath me take, me find peace of mind. Jah light within me shine divine. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart, sacred art. No pastor, no preacher man, only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt, truth come out. Me see the darkness fade, hope made. Jah light glow pure and still, by will. Jah light within guide me there, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Me teach the youth to see Jah energy, no diamond, no gold compare. Jah care, me tell the queen she shine, truly divine. Light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, fade slow, stillness grow. Me find peace pan humble floor, want no more. Jah light reflecting I never die. Me live me truth, me chant elegant. Even in a star me glow, light still show. Darkness can defeat the flame. In Jah name me carry peace through pain. Again, Jah light within guide me there, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever him. Jah light within pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within bless me soul, make me whole. So when the world seem cold and blind, look inside, Jah light within still burn every turn. Na na na, Kali Kushina the morning, yeah man. Oh oh, early morning like kiss the hills, smoke rising slow, just spirit it feels. I wrap me dread in sacred thought, one love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth, meditation bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip wisdom wine, through herbs and rhythm I realign. It's a lion heart journey, through smoke and sky we see clear. In a mystic vibration, Jah message we draw near. It's a rootsman meditation, in a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion nation, we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars, beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer, Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown, only ganja steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust, in ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit rush, just sacred flow. Where the chalice lights start to glow. This a lion heart journey through smoke and sky. We see clear in a mystic vibration. Jah message we draw near. This a rootsman meditation in a firelight. We chant strong from Kingston to Zion Nation. We trot the righteous song in the dance hall of creation. Every step a revelation. Me skanking freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophets, hold me faith. Only truth, me cultivate. In the bush, me build me peace. Let Babylon nice decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rise in Yahweh praise. Every inhale a sacred rite. Blessed by moon and morning light. We not seek war, we chant for grace. With truth reggae, we find our place. So follow the path, lion and free, to the highest heights of unity. Lion heart, lion fire, we chant higher and higher. No more fear, no more pain, just reggae love like healing rain. Lion heart, lion way, Rasta walking light today. Roots deep, soul fly, Zion echoes reach the sky. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lana. Zion cause, yeah. Kingston, skunk smoke. Yeah, man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. Inna the streets, where the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but Jah light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith inna me heart, Jah love me seal. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jah ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand the power of the lion, the almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me not shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. Inna this life, me not feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon not stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. Inna the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop. How the lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb and the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herb body healer, make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah lion in a we, make the the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Urban on me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the lion roar. Rasta vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah in a me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb inna the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever lion strong, we keep it clean. Yeah.
Aye, 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 Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low, teach me love to grow. Every scar become a flame, Jah rewrite my name. No fear, no shame, me rise again. Me see the storm pass by, Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong, me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain, it bring the rain. From the seed of sorrow bloom, new life consume, yeah. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Me look on the crowd unite, me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around. Jah teach we how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. So when the night returns, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends.
Meditate and elevate your man. River flow from holy ground. Zion water heal profound. Wash away the earth and pain. Make the soul feel whole again. Every drop a song of peace. Every wave make hate decrease. Come ye thirsty, drink and live. River of Zion always give. From spring to stream to mighty sea. River of Zion set we free. River of Zion, pure and wide. Carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion make we whole. Every day in sun or rain. River of Zion.
Zion reggae, yeah man.
Ooh, oh,
Before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below. Truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity, blind for your reality. But the roots know where them stand. Deep inside your hand, me feel the pulse under the clay. Tell me everything okay. Nature talk me overstand. Jah control the land. Me see the city light so bright, but none compare to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can't hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade. Rasta made. Well, roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant up psalm for healing sound. Bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth nah decay. Me see the vine grow back again. Wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Deep roots, soul true, storm and fire. Carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long, from generation to generation. Same foundation. Roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow.
ooh, oh,
When the night come, creep again. Me call your name. Roots of the dawn forever grow. Me soul know. Na 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 kaya. And sweat kaya man. Na 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 na. Me hear the drum beat on the wine. Ancient rhythm deep within. Echoes of ancestors call. Rise up one and all. Me spirit light, me feet strong. Jah melody keep trotting long. Them system built on lion chain. Still me walk through the rain. Me carry truth like firebrand, spread it across the land. Me chant for the voiceless man. Rasta got a plan. Freedom no come easy, but Jah move steady. Me heart a rebel flame. Me chant your name. Me see the youth them blind by screen. Forget them root, forget them dream. But me bring back the old time sound. Make the heartbeat pound. Drum and bass unite we all. Rasta answer the call. Me no need no gun or sword. Just your word, me plant the seed of truth again. Watch Babylon chain break plain. Roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened skies. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. Travel far to teach to you. Hold on to Jah truth. The struggle real but hope still there. In the prayer, me see the sun shine bright. My spirit ignite. No fear for the wicked tongue. The battle won. Me see the world start wake. Me feel the ground shake. Rebellion born from care, not despair. Chant on mountain top, me never stop. Jah message echo free across the sea. Me rebel with the heart of peace until it cease. Me fight with love, not rage. Jah wisdom say. Roots rebellion rise, light up the darkened skies. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. So me chant till morning come. Righteous overcome. Roots rebellion live this stay. Lead the way. Zion Reggae. Upon the head of righteous one, crown of Zion like the sun, not of silver, not of gold, crown of love forever bold. It shine with mercy, shine with peace, crown of Jah bring sweet release. Forever pure, forever true, crown of Zion for me and you. Crown of Zion bright and strong, bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test, crown of Jah reward the bliss. Crown of Zion, call your name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Crown of truth, all people seek. It break the chain, it lift the soul. Crown of Jah, make we whole. Forever shining, never
all Jah has made. Me see the elder bow in prayer, crown of Zion shining there. It blaze at night, it glow at noon. Crown of Jah no fading soon, forever holy, never wrong. Crown of Zion ever strong, upon the head of chosen true. Crown of Jah belong to you. No Babylon can take away. Crown of Zion here to stay. It shine eternal, shine divine. Crown of Jah forever mine. It bless the children, bless the meek. Crown of truth all people seek, forever shining bright and free. Crown of Jah for you and me. When the trumpet sound at last, crown of Zion ever fast. It blaze eternal, never gone. Crown of Jah forever strong, from dawn of time till endless day. Crown of Zion light the way. Holy glory, holy song. Crown of Jah forever strong. Shine bright, shine high. Crown of Zion fill the sky. No thief, no chain can steal away. Crown of Jah forever stay. Crown of Zion bright and strong, bless the righteous all along. Every trial, every test, crown of Jah reward the blessed. From earth to sky, from night to morn, crown of Zion ever worn. Ay, 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 ay. Green leaf bless, but me hunger stay. Every day, come my sharp plan, balance man. Me like the herb, but me lace me boots. Strong roots, me nah let comfort steal me drive. Still strife, relaxation without direction fail. Me prevail, discipline turn calm into power tool. Golden rule, me wake early, focus clean, routine. Herb help me slow, but me mission fast. Build fillers, me smoke for reason, not escaping. Clear brain, control over impulse, show real might. True sight, ganja and discipline, side by side, same ride. Calm spirit, focus grind, align mind. Me meditate, then me execute plan. Action man, vision clear like mountain spring. Everything, me not confuse ease with laziness. That's a test. Yeah, remind me breathe and observe. rise with the light. Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibe so right. Me walk barefoot pan Zion soil. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This are the Irie way, the only road through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This are the Irie way. Me soul rejoice, Rasta in a eye heart, in a eye vice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jaja always standing by. Cosmic trails, this life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view under the moonlight. Me chant psalms, me soul protected, me life calm. Me sistren hum sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and grounding tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jap on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float on the rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Marley. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong. Sing truth, live right, chant this song. So me do that still, each word me write. A torch of fire, a guiding light. This reggae way, I'm more than sound. It's the way me live, it's holy ground. Me temple is earth, me prayer is song. Me herb is healing, me heart is strong. So come if you're tired of the Babylon lie. Come hold a vibe and look to the sky. In a Zion neck pose, the truth will play and show you the Irie way. Jah bless the people, let the falls. Babylon system break, yeah man. Me climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stand so tall. Jah love over all. Me tread the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still a glow. Every struggle shape me soul. Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face find eternal grace. Me look down pon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah creates. Elders chant beneath the tree, say Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain, me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From child come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah and true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way. Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion rising pride. Truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face find eternal grace. Mountain high, me spirit free. Zion dwell in me. No evil can stand the sound when Rasta come around. Me look on the sunset red, give thanks for life me tread. Mountain of Zion me own forever, love bind we together.
Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun pa me face, chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn, teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truth, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide the Rasta tribe. Me sit pon hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a root roots man higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, the sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Hey, 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 Bamba gold inna the bambus. Yeah, man. Early morning, sun arise, steam arise from the chalice eye. Me sit by tree, birds them sing. Meditation deep, me feel everything. Me nah rush, me nah chase goal. Me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm. Inna the silence, me hear just one draw, one love, rising high like a dove. From roots to the star above, me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul. Freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot on sacred land. Feel the heartbeat of Jaan. Me no need no chain or car. Me ride rhythm from near to far. Ital in a pot, steam well nice. Pepper coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant fi joy, me chant fi peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high, but keep me wise. It no a joke, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me burn the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. 1 foot on earth, 1 foot in Yahweh. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a Jah light, me play, me roll. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round with Naya bingy drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea. We chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe, hold firm and clear. Each breath a step fi draw Jah near.
them nod and like river run. This reggae vibe had just begun. One drop, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above.
Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through the storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom let me roll, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing my righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. Them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight. Just soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain. No man can dim me flame. Me call your name. One step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but me spirit fly. No obstacle too tall, just an overall. Me chant for you, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beat in my soul. Rasta reach the goal, every chant, every cry. Lift me high, the journey long but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light me guide at night. Each breath me give thanks. No fear in the wrong. So one step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through.